Hey guys, in this video we'll talk about Samsung's latest transparent smartphones that are about to come in the near future, and we have seen this in the form of leaks as well as Samsung's own patents. As of Samsung's official word, they tell that it will take up to 3 years from now to see this in at least a mass demonstration to public where we can touch and feel the device in the real world as well. But I think they are right around the corner. If not right around the corner, they are just a little bit far off, because when we saw Samsung filing patents for foldable phones, we thought that that will take a long time as well, but here we are. Samsung has already released 4 foldable smartphones this year. Even minor generational upgrades are included in that, but still, 4 foldable smartphones, nobody has done it right now. Any brand that has advertised foldable phone has at least come out with one, or not even that, has just shown prototypes and never sold it to public. But Samsung is here as the only brand that has sold 4 foldable smartphones to mass consumers right now. So I think if anybody could pull this off, it would be Samsung themselves that could pull off this transparent phone technology. As of the patents, we can see that it's being demonstrated here, that you can see your hand right beneath the smartphone, and what they are telling is that they have added a transparent layer to their current OLED technology, and they can transform right now the whatever OLED technology is there into a transparent thin sheet. This implies that it's not only restricted to smartphones, but you can make tablets with it, you can make foldables with it, you can make TVs with it, you can even make rollable TVs that LG and Sony has been advertising for a long time now. So the implications are very limitless, as you can tell. But I think first we'll go and focus on the smartphone form factor itself, because again, large scale manufacturing of that very flexible and thin transparent OLED is going to be a challenging thing. So I think even Samsung will focus on smartphones in the beginning and then move on to a bigger form factor devices like tablets or even foldables for the next time as well. So another challenge that needs to be solved is that transparent components need to be developed in the terms of processor as well as the motherboard, and some things like speakers, vibration motors, which are very difficult to make transparent per se. So I think there will be two thick bezels on the top and the bottom, which will hide these non-transparent components, and the things that they can make transparent could be hidden behind the display. I don't know what they are going to do, what their get around is against that, but I think that is what will happen in the future. But let's see what happens. And another thing, like Mr. Who's the Boss has pointed out, is that there is a privacy issue with this, because with the current smartphones itself, where you cannot see what's going on in the back, we have privacy concerns. But when transparent phone is there, when you're holding it in your hand, you can see from back what you're seeing in the phone right here. So that again raises a few questions and few eyebrows in terms of privacy, how this is going to handle it, how Samsung is going to implement it. We are not sure about that right now, but let's watch and see in the future what is there in this world of new transparent smartphones. But till now, that's what we got, and this is all the information we have about it. If you like this video, consider giving it a like and subscribe to watch more of this space and more tech news, and I'll see you in the next video.